to our Beginner's Guide to DevOps Roadmap Explained. In this video, we'll take you through the essential phases of DevOps and provide you with a clear roadmap to success in 2024. Let's dive in and explore the foundational elements of DevOps together. DevOps Roadmap involves outlining the essential skills, tools, and practices that you need to master over time. Here's a detailed and structured DevOps roadmap. This roadmap has 10 phases with different skills requirements. These 10 steps guide will make your strong DevOps career from beginner. As you move into phase 1, it's crucial to establish a strong foundation by understanding DevOps concepts and learning basic system administration. This will set the stage for the rest of your DevOps journey. In phase 2, version control, you need to dive into the world of Git. Learn Git, including installation, configuration, and basic commands. Understand Git flow and GitHub flow, and master pull requests and code reviews. This phase is crucial for establishing a solid foundation in version control. Understanding and depth knowledge is most necessary of Git to make strong DevOps career. In phase 3, continuous integration, CI, you need to learn CI/CD concepts and the benefits of CI/CD. Additionally, you need to explore CI tools and specifically focus on learning Jenkins. You will also discover alternative CI tools such as GitLab CI/CD, Circle CI, and Travis CI. You have strong knowledge of these all concepts and tools. You need to understand these all thoroughly. In phase 4, configuration management, you will delve into infrastructure as code, IAC. This involves learning tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef, and writing playbooks/manifests for configuration and deployment. It's a crucial phase for streamlining and automating your infrastructure management. In phase 5, containerization, you need to dive into the world of Docker and Kubernetes. Learn Docker, including basic commands, Dockerfile, images, and containers. Then, explore Kubernetes and master kubectl basics, as well as package management for Kubernetes. Get a deep understanding of cloud fundamentals. Learn about cloud service models like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Understand cloud deployment models including public, private, and hybrid. Gain knowledge about major cloud providers such as Amazon, Google, Oracle, and Azure. Also, learn about VMs, blob storage, SQL database, Azure AD, virtual network, compute engine, cloud storage, cloud SQL, IAM, and VPC. In this 7th phase, you will dive into monitoring and logging. You'll learn about essential monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana. Additionally, you'll explore logging tools such as ELK Stack, Splunk, and Fluent. Gain deep knowledge about Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana to effectively manage monitoring and logging in your DevOps journey. In this 8th phase, you need to learn about the CIA Triad, which stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability, as well as DevSecOps. Additionally, you must explore security tools such as SNYK for vulnerability scanning and Aqua Security for container security. As you progress to phase 9, advanced topics, you'll delve into more complex concepts. First, you'll explore advanced CI/CD with blue-green deployments, allowing for seamless updates. Next, you'll gain insights into canary releases and A/B testing, enabling controlled feature rollouts. Then, you'll learn about advanced Kubernetes operators, service mesh, Istio, and custom resource definitions, CRDs, to enhance container orchestration. Lastly, you'll master infrastructure as code advanced with Terraform, empowering you to write complex modules and manage state effectively. As you progress through the DevOps roadmap, it's important to focus on continuous learning and improvement. Here are some key steps to keep in mind. Stay updated with new technology by following DevOps blogs and news. Join DevOps communities such as Reddit and Stack Overflow to engage with like-minded professionals. Attend webinars and conferences to stay abreast of the latest industry trends. Consider taking certifications like AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, Docker Certified Associate, and Microsoft Certified Azure DevOps Engineer Expert to enhance your skills and credentials. Remember, DevOps is not just about tools and technologies, but also about culture and collaboration. Always strive to improve communication between development and operations teams, foster a culture of continuous improvement, and embrace automation wherever possible. Happy DevOps Journey! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Thanks for watching.